We always want our future to be good. In fact, we must. We crave for our desires more than we crave for our aim. We hope to have everything in the world, live a luxurious life, spend more time enjoying. But we forget to do the work required to have those luxuries. Just once, ask yourself from the bottom of your heart, are you worthy? In your life, you may be a student, a businessman, a doctor, a man, or a woman. Whatever you are, there will be some time in your life when you can't go forward or backward. You get stuck. You become lazy. You don't even want to move your limbs. You don't want to work and do anything but sit like a mud ball on the ground in your couch, binge watching or gaming or wasting time by calling others. You are not only wasting your time, but others also by your nonsensical actions. Your mind always warns you about your work. It asks you to quench its thirst of happiness, but you simply escape from that inner voice and move on with your shitty things. You don't use present available time. You just either think about future or worry about past. Is it really necessary to pressurize ourselves for the sake of life, which is in our own hands? You are just enjoying now. But what about your future thoughts? Do you give up that easily, which you formed by struggling your brain? By imaginative thoughts? By courage to achieve it anyhow? I don't think so. You are not giving them up. You are just postponing them. Is it right? You want to do it, but not now. You want to achieve your goals, but not now. When you ask your life, when would I be successful? Then your life replies you just like a heavy blow on your face. Not now. Why would we need all this shit? Know the power of now. If the actions that you did in the past resulted in a melancholic situation now, then definitely the actions of now result in the marvelous future. Just start now. Think of a lion which ambushed its prey at the right time. Work now. Wait for the result, but don't pray for it. Focus on your present actions. Leave the future. Don't worry about the past. Live now. Roar like a lion which causes terror in the hearts of your enemies. Your path towards your goal is the defeat of your rival. Get up from your filthy bed, which always drags you back from your adventures. Leave your weaknesses behind. One and only mantra for all of this to happen is to believe. Utilize now. Fertilize future.